Hi there, Stephanie Janiga here with Janiga Estates. So happy March, springtime is almost here. So first thing I want to bring to you today is a contest that we're having. If you go to the Janiga Estates Facebook page, you'll see a contest that we're having because it's basketball season. So it only takes a quick second. Guess how many basketballs we have in the container and you could win a $50 gift card to Buffalo Wild Wings. So go ahead and check that out. Again, that's on our Facebook page, Janiga Estates. So the other things I want to chat with you about real quick today is we have a Janiga journal coming out. You can check that out on our website, janigaestates.com. We've got community news, we've got events that are coming up, fun things in the area. And for this month, you'll see some home tips for getting your house ready for springtime. That's really important. And also mentions like daylight savings time. We're going to spring forward and set our clocks forward this next Sunday. And last but not least, I want to talk about our home values right now. This spring market of 2020 is completely ramping up very fast. We're getting a lot of traction right now. We've got houses coming onto the market every single day. Interest rates are still historically low right now, so this is a really good time to make a move. If you've not checked your home value in a little while, I guarantee you'll be pleasantly surprised. I would like to help you with that. Please give me a call. Let me give you what your current home value is because you may want to do something with it now and not later on. Give me a call, 888-98-HOMES.